Hello, this is TechKid, and I will be today running a screencast on how to make Google Chrome web apps. Now, this is originally based on an article I posted on my blog, techkid.tumblr.com. It's if you want a link to it, it's in my description. So, Chrome web apps. We all know about Chrome Web Store and the many apps it has, although it does not have every single app. There are some that are just not there. So, if you want to have a Chrome web app or a website, but it's not in the web store, how do you get it? Well, the answer is you make it. That might sound a little puzzling at first, but it's really quite simple. Um, so, two things. If process is really simple, you really all you would need is two things. You need a manifest.json and a file and your image. The manifest.json is going to be your program, your command, and the icon is always going to be your icon. Now, how do you get these to be an app? Well, first of all, open up the manifest.json, and I'm using Ubuntu 10.04, but you could use Leopard or Snow Leopard, Windows 7, whatever. Anything that runs Chrome and has a text editor. Now, here, you probably don't see this. I've got a copy in the description and copy on my blog. But anyways, you have inside your manifest.json, you have a couple lines, and second line down from the top is in parentheses name colon, and next to that would be the default. Tumblr is what I have now, but you have to replace it with whatever you want it to be. In my case, we want to make a shortcut to Yahoo, so replace it with Yahoo. Now, below version 1, icons, app, leave all that alone. Down to the URLs. Now this is where it's important. Input the URL of your desired site. In my case, yahoo.com. And down below launch, also you have web URL down here. Enter that site again. I don't know why, but that's what they tell me to do. That's what makes it work. Alright, so enter that. Okay, go ahead and save it. Save it to the desktop. Alright, now what do you do? Well, you gotta package it. First, create a folder. Yahoo. And by the way, this icon has to be named, renamed 128.png. It has to be a PNG file, and it has to be 128 by 128 in size. Just Google custom search for that. Anyways, you drop the two files into this folder. You can see it there. Alright, now on to using Chrome to package the app. You open up a new tab, go up here to the wrench, and go down to Tools, Extensions. Under Extensions, you want to click this Developer Mode, and click Pack Extension. You can always, if you're in a rush to get it in, you can load it on Pack Extension. It'll load it, but I like to do it more professionally and load pack the extension first, then load it. So here's how you do it. Pretty much you see two lines here. First one, extension root directory. You click Browse, go to Desktop, or wherever you keep it. Go inside the directory and click Open. Now, second file, leave it blank. Click OK. It'll say create the following file, blah blah blah. It'll show you the location. Okay. So done. So that'll create it outside the folder in Yahoo CRX, and it'll create two files, yahoo.crx and yahoo.pem. The pem is a security key file. You don't really need to worry about that. The CRX, however, is your actual app now. That's your web app. You're done. Your final steps, you have to load it. And loading is actually quite... Where did it go? Loading is quite simple, actually. All you do is have Chrome over here. Drag and drop the CRX file into it. And you'll see down here, discard or continue. Of course, you made it. It says harmful or whatnot. You made it, so don't have to worry about it. Click continue. They'll say install Yahoo. Click install. And boom! Look at there. Nice shiny Chrome web app. Takes you right to Yahoo. Right? Works right off the bat. Works with the wrench and everything. Open this. or this pin tab, look at that, opened up just fine. So, this should work for just about any app. I have had instances where it would not load the app, such as trying to get Pirate Bay to load. It would not load the actual website. So I just went to like Bitly and got a URL, shortened version of the URL, and it loaded just fine. I don't know why it did that. It just did. So that's how you do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Make sure to come by, swing by my blog. Got new articles coming in every day. So, adios.